The Maker series is PALIT's original concept, designed to satisfy gamers who want to build something unique. It allows users to create a personalized graphics card without affecting the warranty. Since its launch, the Maker series has been embraced by many professional modders and users, empowering them to create unique graphics cards and custom PC builds. Whether you want to give your card a new color or build a PC that stands out, the Maker series is here to fulfill your desire for something truly exceptional. Want to create your own graphics card? First, you need a PALIT card that supports the Maker series. On our official website, you can find all lists of compatible products and check out amazing creations from other users. Then, simply download the 3D files for your specific model and start designing your exclusive shroud. Installation is easy. Just attach your 3D printed cover or backplate to the card, and you're all set. With every Maker product, we offer two design options, the painting version and the creator version. For general users, you can download the painting version, 3D print it yourself or have a service provider do it, then paint it to match your style. The creator version, on the other hand, comes as a blank canvas with no design elements, perfect for professional modders to use as a base for more advanced customizations. And because many 3D printers have size limitations, we also offer a split part version for each design. Isn't that thoughtful? No warranty worries, just endless possibilities for your creativity. The PALIT Maker series is the perfect tool for bringing your ideas to life. What are you waiting for? Start building your one-of-a-kind graphics card today. For more details, please check out our website. See you next time. Bye!